Canadian Japan in team no cookie up some story be negotiating I say when you sell catch you as seven years three. Now make some share video no masra. Actually say nyansen bia any more Canadian Japan minim so on all damn na all bow say ye Jimion say ye Dion I don't know. But I can tell you on authority that the man no president now person who did not own nyande no e have an dream. Honestly speaking, it's very sad to say I have to tell you the truth this way, but I'm telling you, say what you people are doing, you know. Obi onim nyansa bia be hu se mogimi. Obi onim nyansa bia no, obi hu se mogimi. Now story be no mo cooking up. Share sa picture in and I say video am just to me say share sa video. One say o share madam na okasa no share the top na say picture bi da ho no mo a. As enkofo be manya accident. Na yake come abom. And actually say caused by Dr. Bawumia car. Person me busa wo. Mo amu cookie up sa story we. Nyansa ben ene wo sa story amu cookie ne mu. Nipa na odi omagu onom say Dr. Bawumia car na ebo omo a omo anya sa accident we no. Me so wo. Mo beti be prove say yam pass Dr. Bawumia car na mo go for we na. You see, it is only obi a wajimi and I will bet me cookie up a funny story like this to come and lie and they will believe in you. But say if you have reasonable people in the country, it will be very hard to cook a story like this and bring it out for people to believe. Now, remember I share video no any emunsem send your music ansem na area. You bet you are doing here then Canadian Japan is losing the election and because of that in a for the dream. But Nyanto Boisier and I let me explain. How the Ghana and Sam TV meeting I'm just gonna promise. You share video anybody we are. You bet you are doing.
Intro say ya debia intro propaganda aka bosume ba ko me ekoto aba. Mo Dr. Bawumia ndem be kan fa no mo kan wi. Na omo mo hyehyɛ bɔkye no so yeni mo mu nyina na ka ye Dr. Bawumia nkrofo nka ye nkofre ayi amesuari nkrofo na ye nkohyehyɛ omachi enkase candidate bi eneku emieku eboba emieku no na makofa ayi flag we abegina ho say justice dey mo fa mo ma se won kodo an ye nwe ye ho Dr. Bawumia wa ya moden dem be ka fa no nyina man kan wi se mo pem muni hwia mo beka muni hwia mo beka enti mun ko change mo topic mun ko na mun ko change mo topic Ghana for sa demonstration yon be yeti Bawumia omo buo omo hyeda pa no pese mo digu na nimu ase na Bawumia no wotu na ote tare na wan tare botu nwia bo no na ta de ma mbo enti no ane so omo hyeda no pese mo digu na nimu ase so emfa demonstration bia emfa de mbeye no ma ye wie dada de mbeke kan ma kan wie da mo fa ma sem chum ho kodo wan ye nye free Dr. Bawumia ho nto no adai candidate na o hye machi ne yenimu no pa no ye de ne ho nsem o ba be demonstration anka ono betimi agina no semfo.
So ebusuya, that is the video kokko share no. Na se wo share video na Canadian Japan any team no allegedly ne person mo kire say Dr. Bawumia campaign car along the way omo campaign any ade na chese omo de pimpim sa nkofo we nyina ma omo de no omo yawe omo gu dem na Dr. Bawumia neglect omo a chese omo kire say omo ba be ye protest they tell Dr. Bawumia say ode the car bon nkofo. But we've been in this country and every accident that ACBiano is being reported on TV, on radio. And I've not seen any reports from any media house indicating, say, Dr. Bawumia campaign car and Dr. Bawumia car, Abu Boss and confirmed now. There is no evidence from any credible media houses or any credible source to prove that this allegation is true. So the question is, why are you fabricating a story to suit your propaganda just because you want to become a presidential candidate of a certain particular party? Because in actual sense, what you people are doing doesn't add up and it doesn't make any sense. Why are you kicking up a story to suit all propaganda or person way? And the funny thing about all this thing be say, them get people with them mind, them IQ, and what form what them go believe in this kind of stuffs. But every person or reasonable out would tell you say this story is a cooked story and would not believe in such stories. But the fact that you people are getting crazy, you keep on bringing up flimsy stories like this, and it is time you people should understand. Say Jimmy no adorso, into Munja Jimmy na Jimmy na Mujimino. Agyapong, I kind of referential. You would never and ever win the MPP flag bearership race. And until now, you better stop. Because you are not going to win. See, Agyapong will say a kind of candidature very simple. There is no way you will win this election. You are not winning. And until I don't know who is deceiving you. But the truth is, you are not winning this election. So you should go and sit down and find something else to do with your money, because you even said that you don't want to become president. I don't know who advised you. Will say, President of the Republic of Ghana. Agyapong, something is wrong with you. I'm telling you, something is wrong with you. Now I'm telling you. Because see, the thing you are doing, you are tying out of hatred. And now the SNM you are tying now nipa keke. Because this story that you people are cooking up, bro, it make it nyanse be anymore. And I was say you are not dealing with illiterate, you are dealing with intellectuals. And it is a cookie up story. Cookie story ebe making sense to the people. What I say? Story ebe making sense to the people. Yes, story and making sense. So you guys should understand. Say Adibu Mamoya emfa embwa. And it is time for you people to sit down and stop this thing, because it is not helping. Embwa. We want to have a healthy discussion. And this thing I'm not going to say moya in this more competing MPP. And that's what you are making people believe. That is what you are making people do what? Believe. So let me know what you also think in the comment section. Meaning say who or something to say about this video. I'm about to buy. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hi, Ghana 70 media. I'm just going to promise. Message us over Facebook. I promise the blogger, YouTube, and so on. Me person establish the BB on no so betimi akwa search. I promise the blogger studios betimi follow me up and so on na. The more stories to be pro e wo. They say YouTube with collaborate stations in the Bawumia. So you are doing a very great job to help the country, the party, and everyone. But I want to boss now. I will tell you. I mean, in short,